Hello guys, everyone. Hi. I'm back. I'm using a new phone again for my vlogging. So this time let's continue our provincial life vlogging here in my province, my lovely province of Aklan. If you can see on the backside, dito po kami nakatira sa bayan ng New Washington, Aklan. So, that's all. And this is only just a try. So, nagagandahan ba kayo? Trinay ko yung bagong camera. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.